This is a 2008 BMW 750. It has a 4.8-liter 8-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features and packages include a navigation system, BMW Assist, a low tire pressure indicator, xenon headlights, aluminum wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a power sunroof, heated front seats, cruise control, a CD player, leather seats, steering wheel mounted gear shifting, a security system, an anti-lock braking system, memory seat controls, and this vehicle has fewer than 40,000 miles on the odometer. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.
Reynolds Ford of Edmond is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 600 West Memorial Road in Oklahoma City.